scusa, non mi ha dato. Piazza Matador.
Good morning. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for the Sea Dog Way. At Sea Dog Elementary we respect our school staff, students, ourselves. We are responsible for our actions. We act with respect and always give our best effort. We are the Sea Dogs. Today for lunch is choice A, hot dog sandwich and soup, choice B, tomato soup, and roast beef. Make it a great day.